Women are the anchors of all households and the engines that keep our societies and economies running. It follows that any policy, program, or project that does not focus on the role of women or neglects to involve them denies itself the opportunity to succeed and can only reach half of its objective at best. On the other hand, fundamental transformation on a broad-based scale can be achieved by the mere inclusion and involvement of women as agents of positive change and beneficiaries of affirmative actions. This is the essence of social justice in action.